Hello, Paul. Good evening. Believe or not, this is second stream today. I was streaming. I was streaming during the day as well. How cool is that? Oh, let me see. Andy, hello. Ori, hello. Good evening. Yeah, I streamed today as well, during the day, from, I don't know, on Twitch only, not on YouTube, on Twitch. I could, save those VODs on Twitch, but Twitch anyways cutting out audio, so that doesn't make sense to keep them there, so yeah, whatever. Okay. Watching drama between Zelensky and Trump. Yeah, I saw short kind of part from that when they were kind of discussing how one or another should be thankful and so on. Oh, I don't want to talk about that. It's kind of... Let's do not make this political show. I saw too many opinions about that. It's crazy. It's crazy, definitely. Okay, so... Yeah. It's fine. Yeah. All good. I just saying. Yeah, it's crazy, but yeah, nothing really to. We'll see what will be results of those discussions anytime soon. So I got another package. I I unboxed a keyboard on previous stream. This stream I got another package. Okay, Chandler. Ideal actually is local Apple premium reseller here in Latvia. But of course that is not MacBook. Too easy, too light. What do you think what it is? Made in Estonia, actually. Andy. This package is made in Estonia. Charger or AirPods. Yeah, good guess. I have those relatively oldish AirPods with lightning cable. Apple Watch. No, I'm not going to upgrade my Apple Watch Ultra 2nd generation. No. Here in Mexico it's called iStore. Interesting. Oh, interesting packaging, actually. Something like... Okay, how can you get it out from here? I don't know. Interesting. That's going into the opposite way. Ta-da! Those are Beats. I'm one of those persons who can't really move head with AirPods Pro, and I'm suffering, I'm suffering, not running, even just, I don't know, walking around. Oh, George, hello. Hours in the morning, hours in the evening. Yes, indeed. Hey, Ilya. Yeah, close enough. Indeed. Oh, nice packaging. Okay, let's... It's actually nice, you can open it without knife. Something like Yeah, case is bigger, but not crazy big, I would say. I'll say it's okay. It's bigger, but not crazy big. Would you like to pair or something? Yes, here it is. Unlock to connect. Oh, but my case is not black. Why those are black here? I don't know. Okay, whatever. So that was that. And now I just have to start running, you know. Got the headphones. And not headphones. How you name them? Those are not AirPods, those are not headphones. Headphones I assume are those which is overhead. How they name them? Just Powerbeats Pro 2. Okay, whatever. So that was in the mystery package. Looks a lot bigger. Yes, it is. Sure, if you compare, it's a lot bigger, but they are also quite kind of big in the case. If you compare. Of course they are bigger. No, I don't mind. It's fine. I think it still fits in the pocket. Yeah. It still fits in the pocket and it will be possible to actually use them. So this is going to the family member. Great to see you streaming more often lately. Yeah, it's kind of going in a waves. Not the first time when I'm streaming often and then kind of again stopping streaming. We'll see how that will go. We'll see how that will go. Hopefully, fingers crossed. It's headphones at the end of the day. Okay. Okay. Those Beats must be better than Apple Pro. They are better. They are better. Which stand are you using for MacBook? Can you recommend it? A good one, please. I don't remember. It's something from wood and metal and it is from company in Ukraine. I don't remember the name of it. I got it, I don't know, 2 years ago. I'm thinking of getting the AirPods Max. Will you say they worth the money? Or I should go with Sonos? I don't know what is price of Sonos. And you know that upgrade, what they added, it's not really kind of great, right? Because this upgrade is, I don't know, what did we get? The USB-C charger instead of the Lightning. What else? Nothing. I just was waiting. I needed basically kind of over-ear bigger headphones, so I bought them. Are they worth the price? I don't know your budget, you know. I don't know, is it a lot of money or not? You can get Sony XM5 for about half of the price, right? Are they twice better? I don't know. I have both. Sony's, my wife is using Sony's now. I like those better, but are they twice better? Hard to answer. Hello, Peter. Hey from Manchester. Hello, Manchester. I need a database of any kind of completing my interview task. Do you have any recommendations what to use? Preferably easier to implement. Implement where? In iOS? Firebase. What do you think about Rocket glasses? honestly, nothing. Let me click the link. I don't know. Why should I think something about them? It looks ugly, if you ask me. They're looking bad. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what they are doing actually. Okay, hair kind of looks better, but in that picture, in this picture looks ugly, in previous picture looks ugly. And I don't know about functionality. Nothing. I was looking if I can get those Meta glasses here in Latvia, but those weren't available, so I didn't care about anything else. From glasses, I do not expect to see anything good from those augmented reality glasses and all that stuff, you know. So you got an answer by B-Rage. Firebase, Superbase, those will work. About $200 difference. So yeah, that's quite a lot, you know. For $200 you can, okay, those are 300, but basically you can buy, I don't know, one more toy. Quite a lot. My question is too long, so I split in 2 messages. Oh my gosh. Do not write so long questions. You don't like the Digma? I like it, but I can't type on it. I barely can type on a regular keyboard. Digma is right here. I even tried to use it during the day today. I can use it, but I'm deadly slow with it. I like that keyboard, and I would love if I can type on it properly. To be able to do that, of course, I need to use it regularly, and I do not do that. So, shame on me. It's a great keyboard, it's good, but yeah. I'm looking right now, YouTube video, 10 countries where women need men the most right now. And Latvia is one of them. Latvia are short of men. There are 140k women more, probably. Yeah, Peter, I saw a short clip from it. And Andy, that was first part of the question, right? But that wasn't a question yet. Cheers, Micha. So yeah, I don't know. I never tried them. I pre-ordered. They're not even selling them yet. $700. I'm skeptical. I think all those tools, that good that we have something like that, you know, coming in summer, yeah. I think it's good that we have tools like that and so on, that they are trying to innovate and do something, build something new and so on, but I think all of that currently is kind of very gimmicky for early adopters and so on. Oh, interesting. I'm looking for Superwall. Okay, that's my typo, of course, but see what I what I got last Superwall decor. Oh my gosh. Okay. $300. That's better, of course, but I don't know. Unlikely. I am buying. I don't know. Do not see reason yet. So, plan for today is, first of all, was to unbox quickly those nice and beautiful AirPods, but I will test them tomorrow. And next thing to do, I have that in my last thing for today in my notepad, create Superwall paywalls. That's the last task that I shall do today, and let's do that. Actually, I will grab a kvass. Give me a sec. So, not sponsored or something. I just noticed that I am drinking kvass for last, maybe, I don't know how many, 4, 5 streams? 3 at least. Just saying, not sponsored or something. It looks that probably it could be, you know, like those streamers with all those energy drinks somewhere in the background. Unfortunately, no. Okay, so I have 3 paywalls here. None of them are good and really fits design or anything in my application. Currently, if I will hit paywall, I will get this one. So I should change it. One thing that I don't like in it, I do not see a restore button here. Probably we can get it somehow here. Because if I'm going back to the there's no restore. We have terms of use and privacy policy. Those are mandatory links. Those are here, but restore, where is it? But generally it works. Just image doesn't fit. Oh, we can get preview here. Nice. That's nice. Okay, but whatever, we need to edit it. Probably if I will click on it, yep, then we are in the edit mode. I'm kind of curious. So I'm first time building paywalls with this Superwall paywall builder. So those are products, that's fine. That should be here. That's color scheme. Color scheme, I'm not going to change. I hope that Superwall team know better which colors work, which not, and so on. Okay. Okay, we have variables here, I see. Localizations, not yet, but... Oh, surveys, that's interesting. Oh, that's cool. You can send a notification from Paywall. That's actually amazing. Love that. Before I did this kind of notification sending on the customer, on the client side. That's actually dope that we can send notifications from Paywall. Hey Josh. Hey Jose. Hello. Double apostrophes. Hello, welcome to the stream. Hey, hey. Hello, good evening. So I will check. Let me check maybe a few more paywall designs. I just grabbed first, probably one. Okay, we can archive this one because this totally doesn't work with my application. We can archive this one. This one is kind of nice, I like it, but of course we need to change image, but okay, let's go from templates and I will look what do we have here in templates. So colors are nice in this one. Hey Vlastimir, hello. So I think we need at least 2 product paywall. The thing is that if you have more than one product on the paywall, then you have kind of higher chance that your paywall will convert. And I'm currently looking for converting more customers if possible. Hey Marco, yes indeed. Cheers. Yeah, today I am good influencer. I streamed on the morning, I released a video in the middle of the day, and I streaming at night. Could be cool if we somehow can favorite paywalls, but okay, I do not see that option. So, could be cool to somehow fit my app design as well. My app design is a little bit orangey. What you are drinking? That's kvass. Something in between lemonade and beer. Non-alcoholic beverage. No, you forgot. Yeah, then you know. Yeah, then you know. Yeah, kvass. Pictures make paywalls immediately better looking. That's a thing I see. Maybe this one could be cool actually. Oh fuck, Mechatronic, that was bad news. We're living in an interesting time, right? Yeah, just like co-working, indeed, yeah. Yeah, I think this actually could work. There are reviews. So do you think those are good news, Mechatronic? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. I will watch news tomorrow morning to see what's going on with some commentary. I It's kind of strange, yeah. Like, seems that USA would like to isolate from all the world, not only from Ukraine or I don't know. And it's never really is a good thing, you know. But again, that's kind of politics and that stuff. I don't know. It's never great, you know, like Japan went this way, tried to basically isolate from everyone, didn't end well. Whatever, we'll see. So I think we could go with this paywall, for example, something like this. I would like one of those paywalls, which is basically saying, okay, today start for free, then you have trial reminder, yada yada, we'll see. Not sure, Marco. Maybe, but probably maybe, yeah. Probably maybe we will see, yeah. So I definitely want one of those paywalls, which is kind of like, I know that paywall basically works very well, converts quite well. Let's see, there should be more than one with those. Start free trial today. Template. I like colors in this one, kind of dark. This one catching eyes, maybe because of image, I don't know. What that tells about me. This one is basically image kind of catching eyes. This one not so much because that looks like, I don't know, blue, green, horrible colors. But I'm not expert here. Okay, this one is this kind of start for free today. This one is also interesting. Yeah, Superwall paywalls are looking, those templates are looking really good. Yeah, I think if we have this, for example, this start today for free and then kind of yada yada, I think in that case we need just one product. And here is some misunderstanding already. Start 3-day free trial, and here is in 4 days we will send you a notification reminder that trial is ending soon. what the fuck? Really? 1 day after trial is ended, there is already kind of something looks very broken already. This one's kind of interesting, but this doesn't match any icons that I'm using in the app, and I will need to replace it. This actually is cool. Oh, Marco, I didn't even understand what you are asking about, so I'm skipping. Yeah, I saw a small clip when they basically talked about each other, talked over each other. This is kind of interesting. What happens when you click to the weekly? I will add this. Let's use template. Let's see. Upcoming UFC light heavyweight title fight. Okay. I do not follow. I don't know anyone. I know you are in fights. You are following for sure. I don't, but I don't even know why invite that. I wanted to preview it somehow on my, somehow here. Can I preview it here? No, it's going to the edit mode. Here, preview. Okay, that will work. Yeah. I do not follow, I know. No, I don't even know. I can't name even how is that guy from Ireland. Tom McGregor? Yeah, McGregor. I know that guy. That's it. Yeah. See, I also remember it. McGregor, exactly. That guy who got kicked by that guy from Dagestan. That's another one. That was kind of crazy guy. Hey, Jumora. Sorry, I will not pronounce it right. I'm considering starting indie development and don't know how to decide between native or multi-platform. Can you give any insight about it? Yes, I can. Habib. Yes, Habib. Yes, I can. Depends on app that you are planning to make, but actually I did presentation yesterday in community. In indie app developers community. And I will show you one slide from that presentation. This slide. That is subscription sales market share. If you are planning to make business based on subscriptions, then probably you would like to target US and European countries as a target audience. And in those countries, US has basically 58.8% of iPhones from all devices, and in many European countries this number is even bigger. So my question is, why do you need multi-platform? What is your idea that you need this multi-platform? Or you are kind of thinking just in case. If you are thinking just in case, then you also can make a web app and also physical shop to sell goods and so on, and something else, you know. Of course, I'm kind of kidding about that now, but in every joke there is kind of part of true. Ask yourself, do you need multi-platform support? Will you make any money on Android? And if you're thinking that, oh yes, I probably will make at least little bit money on Android, so does this little bit make sense to spend time on platform support and dealing with cross-platform development and dealing with Android support and getting those 20 testers in Google Play to test your application and all that stuff, you know? Are you switching to Superwall or away from it? I'm switching to Superwall. I have Revenue Cat. You can use Revenue Cat together with Superwall as well, because the reports in Revenue Cat are quite nice. Basically, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I switched back from Adaptee to the Revenue Cat, but I'm planning to add Superwall paywalls as well. Basically, I already have that implemented. I just need to design paywalls. Ensure pricing worker better for you, decoy price. I don't know what means decoy pricing. What is decoy pricing? Decoy pricing. How that's different from anchor pricing. You basically, with 3 prices also you can do this basically thing. I don't see difference actually. Decoy pricing versus anchor pricing. What's the difference? In my head, those are kind of, they are the same picture. Yeah, of course you can do price anchoring with 2 prices as well, not with 3, you know, but yeah, whatever. Price anchoring, basically you can do this price anchoring with 2 prices or 3 prices or 4 prices, whatever. Probably its right term is decoy pricing, I don't know, but yeah, feels the same, you know. I think those 250 conversations is 200 people purchasing whatever. I'm from Brazil and here Android is huge, but yeah, your data about subscription opened in my mind. Yeah, but are you targeting audience in Brazil? You should ask yourself this question. Do you care about audience in Brazil? I am from Latvia, but I do not localize my apps in Latvian because that market is small. I do not think I will earn much money. I will localize eventually when I will start localization for, I don't know, German and Spanish, then I will add Latvian as well, just because not, but strategically it doesn't make much sense to localize in Latvian because we are only 2 million people population, and how many of them will use my application? Same question about your app. Is it for Brazil market? If yes, if you're building product for your local market, then you should take in account that you need Android application. If you are building your application just as indie developer to earn money, then probably it doesn't make much sense to focus on Brazil market. Yeah, but basically that's the same. Yeah, Ori, I think that if you are kind of trying to talk fancy about sales, then there is big difference between anchor pricing and decoy pricing, and you can do few presentations about the difference between them, but basically they are the same. That's basically, yeah, this. There's the same picture for me. I understand that those are not the same, but whatever. Okay, this music is distracting. Let's switch to my favorite playlist. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, always think about your kind of end goal, because kind of trying to cover all the possible cases almost never is important. No, I didn't tested videos on Paywall. I heard that those working. I tested only text and image. Okay. This one looks... We'll see, mechatronics, you know. Currently everyone is kind of on emotions. We'll see what will happen in a day or few, you know. Okay, this one looks interesting but complicated. I wanted to add it, but no. Okay, let's take a look for another. This starts for free today. There was one somewhere on beginning. Maybe not so much on beginning. Not on big here. I'm not a big fan of those colors, but I don't know. Who am I to judge if they have them? Of course, you can always change those colors here, but okay, I will add this template. So I need to add products. I will add only yearly here on this paywall. What will happen on see other options? Okay, I can add that monthly as well. That will be hidden behind other options. Okay, that's fine. But we have... Yeah, but we have trial only for yearly, so no. One product is it. Here are top 10 reasons why the koi pricing is better than price anchoring. Yeah. Exactly, yeah. Okie dokie, so... Okay, we are adding... How long trial I have? I have trial, I think I have 7 days trial. Let's double check. 35 watching, 23 likes. Yeah, I think that half of you guys have like button broken. Maybe something else, I don't know. Yeah, thank you, Boracoder. Boracoder.com. So Gabriel. Okay, thank you, Gabriel. Hello, Kurt. Okie dokie. So, what I wanted to open, yeah, App Store Connect. Right. Let's add all the secret passwords. Thank you, Dmitry. Okay, scheduled maintenance March 1. Okay, whatever. Okay, today we are working on this application. And yeah, here colors are kind of gray and orange on icon. So I am a little bit in the orange. Subscriptions, Habit Premium. I think I had 7 days trial on that yearly. I'm always kind of can't find where it is. Okay, free for first week. Yes, 7 days trial. Hi Highlights. How was the TV show Severance? No spoilers, guys. I saw first season and the first episode from second season, so no spoilers, please. It's interesting. I like it. Surprisingly interesting. Maybe it feels funny because I was working. Maybe it was funny because I was working in corporate America before, you know. Marco, stop it. Hey, Romance. Nice to see someone from LA online with Twitch content. Yeah. There are few streamers from Latvia, but not too many in tech niche, yeah. I really never heard of it. Really? Severance is a popular TV show on Apple TV. I just got that Apple TV family thing and then not Apple TV, iCloud family thing. Whatever. Basically there is Apple TV included and I checked what kind of series there are and that Severance is kinda nice. Don't watch anything. Oh, I'm watching with my wife, you know, kind of like family being together, you know. Often that is TV running and I'm kind of one eye in the phone or in iPad or something, but the Severance kind of is good. And some Swedish action. Oh, that's weird, guy. That's weird. Swedish action, okay. So basically this is what we need. That's interesting, can't afford. What happens if someone will click can't afford? If that means the same as Serbian Serbian action. Could be interesting. It seems that we need to modify it a little bit. There is redeem promo code, can't afford, so that is going away. See other options is going away from this paywall as well. Okay, let's start to change something. What's that? Left button? Okay. So, can we just change text here? We should be able somewhere. Get a discount maybe. Oh yeah, of course, but I don't think I will offer it. I'm planning to show this paywall at the end of the onboarding, and on the onboarding I do not plan to offer any discounts anything. Yeah, probably that's something like that. To ask for discounts and so on. What's the difference between Revenue Cat and Superwall? Superwall firstly focus on paywalls and they didn't handle payments before. Currently they handle all the process. Revenue Cat has bit advanced reporting. Revenue Cat is cheaper. Superwall charging 20 cents for each conversion. Revenue Cat charging 1% from revenue, but only after 2.5K. Here also you have 250 transactions for free, but basically, if you take a look, so if your cheapest product is $20, then price is even. But if you sell something cheaper, then RIP 99 cents purchases. Yeah, Marco, just do your math, you know. If you pay 20 cents to the Superwall, then you pay 15% from all the money to Apple. Then you get, I don't know how much, 50 cents, 40 cents, whatever. And then you pay tax from that. Half to the government. And hola, you got your, whatever, 20 cents. Maybe. So now. I will test multiple paywalls. Abdullah, yeah, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, I will test multiple paywalls, and with this one, I will try this one after onboarding, and I will try one with reviews. I have kind of social proof or reviews in the app as well. Basically, when we getting close to the paywall. Will I see that in preview? I can show you basically. Before I'm showing paywall, I'm kind of saying something among the lines that please do not forget to rate application. Here are ratings from current users, and those are real ratings from the App Store, and they are good. 5-star ratings. Is it building? Okay, yeah, here it is. So basically I have here kind of scroll view but with social proof, and I'm kind of showing this before paywall. So we are kind of warming up the customer to show that app is well rated, and yeah. So that happens even before paywall. But yeah, that's a good suggestion, I agree. Oh, that is image. We should have image here. I don't have image, so let's just remove it. Can I replace it with text? Layout. Oh yeah, that's image. Okay. Delete. And surprisingly, this type of paywall converts very well. I have similar paywall that is custom made in... Okay, I don't have that app installed on this simulator, but yeah, basically that type of paywall works very well. And yeah, you got your slice of bread. Exactly, yeah. That's the worst possible price. Right button. Close the paywall, animation fade. Can we add delay? It's fade, yeah. What fade? This is fade for paywall or fade for button? Okay, I don't know. Whatever. We'll have this. Okay, today start your trial. So we need to change this text. Get instant Atlas access to unlimited habits. History. And more? What more? I have more. You can change icon, maybe something else, I don't remember, whatever. And more. Good enough. You will get notification that your trial is ending. So that will be notification. Do you use Figma for wireframing and prototyping? No, very rarely, almost never. Will you focus on FOMO or free trial thing? I will do multiple paywalls and I will test them. And basically I'm doing this free trial thing. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, continue. See other options we don't need. Because what will we have behind those other options? Nothing. I have just one product. Yeah, that's view all plans. We don't need view all plans. Let's drop it because I will show only one product on this paywall. Okay, and then we will have restore all that jazz that is necessary. Let's go. I have those links in the my adaptive paywall. Paywalls, whatever, any of them. Links. So that will be so this one will be top behavior, custom option. No. Link, can I choose link? Open link, here it is, okay. And here we will have, what was that, privacy? Yeah, you have to have privacy and privacy link and the two terms link on the paywall. Otherwise, you will get rejected by Apple. Okay. How it is how it is left button on the right side. Am I drunk or what? Okay. Okay. Okay, that will be terms, and this should be restore. Yeah, restore purchases. Basically, that's it. I will say that's our paywall. I'm not sure about those colors, but I just hope that Superwall kind of know what they are doing. And those colors probably work. So we need this notification thing. Title, subtitle, body, delay. So delay will be 5 days for this specific paywall. And actually I had those, what did I say in my custom notifications? Notification manager, I used user's name as well. Okay, we will not know user's name here. Okay, this will be body. And yeah, I don't have user's name in the paywall. I can send this to the paywall, but I don't want to mess with that, whatever. Okay, title will be just trial reminder. That's fine. Trial end reminder. I will be very kind and I will remind about trial end. Trial end reminder, your trial will end soon. If you're planning to cancel, I will be happy to hear what features missing from the app. Yeah, something like that. I think continue button color is a bit light as compared to the steps color on the top. I agree. I didn't change those. That's basically how it is in the... I feel the same. We can test, you know, that also do A/B test for different colors. I actually would like to test basically how it is here in the Superwall, because I kind of hope that they know what they are doing. But I agree with you. I feel that that color is kind of weird. And here could be also something like start free trial, you know, or start your 7 days free, something like that. That continue is kind of, I don't know. Okay, I will save this notification, and now we can duplicate it. Okay, duplicate. And this will be actually that's blink list paywall. Basically, I'm duplicating it with all the same products, features, and what else not. Yes, and we just change here color. I think color could be basically the same, at least this lightish blue. Oh, Chandler. Thank you very much for gifted sub. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. I'm trying to get break even with my streaming computer, so that really helps. I counted that I need to stream for 20 years to get break even. So maybe we just saved a month or two. Okay. And Okeep, you got a sub for free. So how great is that? You can say thank you, Chandler. Don't be shy. What color do you think we need? Okay, it's first it's this one, then primary. What is primary in this case? In this case. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, whatever. Can I choose somehow color? How I can change it? Copy, paste. Actually. Add value? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, I don't see how I can change the color. Why? I just assumed that it is here. But all of that is disabled. Wait, maybe somehow here? Okay, I can change text, of course. Doesn't really worry about that. Maybe here, no. Borders, position, shadow. Why? It's kind of weird. Color. Okay, you can clear. Of course, amazing. Ah, okay. Okay, that's a little bit weird way to select colors, but okay. Yeah, it's kind of too dark, right? This? What do you think, chat? What do you think? Do we need something green? If you think that we need green, like something like positive kind of, just post in the chat one, and if you think we need something blue from those blue, post in the chat two. Can you vote? Can you help me with this one? I think this kind of lightish blue is okay, but maybe we need something more green. Green is 1, blue is 2. Anyone? No? You're not helping. Yeah, maybe it is bluish. And then I think I need this text also more bold. Green on white background. 2. It should fit the rest of the UI. Yeah, I think it should fit with those colors. Green will be kind of standing out. Yeah, text should be light. Yeah, I think as well. Okay, or next green text. Okay. Green on white. Blue on white. Yeah, I think text should be white, and then we can go with darker button. Basically, this darkish blue, but then text should be white. Okay, let's try. And anyways, I will do A/B testing basically with those two paywalls. So I think we need the text a little bit kind of bolder. It's kind of, yeah. Continue is kind of fine. It could be something like start 7 days free, something like that, but okay, whatever. Let's stick with this one. Where can I change font? That's text. Oh. Continue is fine. Tab behavior is fine. Color. Is this text color? Oh, here is font. Found it. Size. Let's make it a little bit bigger. At least 20. maybe even 24, 22. It should be bigger, and we need color. We need color white. Basically the same. Yes. Yeah, that will be better. I think this will work. Basically we need the same font, but some contrast here. Good day. I really want to be freelancer or on Upwork, but it is hard. Dude, sure. I started on Upwork as well. Can advice can you give about that? I am front-end dev. As I know, the front-end dev market is fucked up currently. And the problem is that you sound like very 7 days free and after pay only if continue to use. That's too long, but something like start your 7 days free, that's could work, yeah. Upwork. I'm just curious when I was continue with email probably. Do I have password saved? Probably no. Can I log in with Gmail? Fever. How I got into the Fever. I tried to get to the Upwork. Oh, that's so cool. Check this out. It's Fiverr, but it is they're kind of saying browse Upwork, and I clicked on that and logged in. Cool. They tricked me to get into the Fiverr instead of Upwork. Let's see. Do I have password? Probably. Oh, it's sending SMS to me. All right, Marco, you saw? That's so interesting. They're not sending SMS to me. That's a lie. Oh, I should. Okay, send. Okay, do that. Do not forget me. Okay, verification code. Probably it's not big secret, but whatever. No, I'm not going back to Upwork. I got asked about questions on Upwork. I would say that if you are kind of trying to get work on Upwork, where is my profile? Complete your profile. Go away. There was profile was somewhere here. Now it is somewhere. They messed up everything. Connects 200 project catalog. Where is my profile? Oh, that is my profile. No, those are jobs. They changed everything. I can find work, your services. Yeah, I just wanted to show you my profile and basically to give some pointers, but I can't find how you can get to your profile anymore. Oh, here it is. No, it is here. Yeah, Chandler, right. That was that. So I earned not so much. I earned only 6K on the Upwork, and last time when I was working, that was 2018. But the thing is, basically, when you're starting on the Upwork, if you will go and take a look on my very first job, sorry, I hate this song, I need to switch to the next one. Okay, better. So, when I started, basically I jumped on iOS mobile app testing job for something like $10. So basically that doesn't even make sense to apply on job like that. But why did I do that? Just to get that 5-star rating. So on very beginning you are just on Upwork just to get those 5-star ratings. You are not there to make money. Of course you need your portfolio, of course you need good profile, all those whatever viable ratings and all the jazz. But if you will take a look, my first 2-3 jobs are this one as well. Basically I jumped on the project. That is small application, basically 3 screen app, and I said that I will make it in about 10 hours, and I did deliver it in 10 hours basically for $20 in an hour. Got my 5-star rating, you know. Next one, again, something like const and error and so on, fixed price $100, again for that 5-star rating. And then I started already to go $45 in an hour, and something like, what was that, fixed price project 1900 and so on. Basically on the beginning you have to jump on jobs quickly, you have to write a good proposal, you have to be one of the first guys on that job offer. If there are already 10-50 applicants before you, it doesn't even make sense to waste your time. And yeah, that's it. Do not try to be cheapest. In the Upwork, I always, on first jobs, I was jumping on whatever I was able to jump, but just to get those 5-star ratings. But after that, I just said in proposals as well, I know that you can get cheaper offer, but I'm here for the quality. Stuff like that, you know, kind of. I never tried, and I do not suggest you ever try to beat everyone by price, because if you will do that, then you will always will be hungry, will overwork, and earn very little or no money. So that's what I will tell you. I don't know, few pointers basically. Didn't I save changes? I saved. Okay, why do not I see difference here? Unable to save. Okay, if I will refresh, there looks the same. Okay, if I'm going inside this one, it is green, default, okay. And this one should be that bluish. I hope it will update in runtime, let's say so. I hope that will be updated in runtime and we can test. We can say that this will be active. How I can change it to the active? I somehow find it yesterday. I had to add it somehow to the offer, to the campaign. Yes. Default paywall. Okay. Not here. No. Duplicate archive. Where was this activation thing? I think that's not here. Oh, presentation style, identifier. No. Notifications are enabled. Okay, that is not here. That is somewhere in those screens. Oh, here are the colors. Brand color, primary. Okay. It's fine. Yeah, it's not here. Of course I could go and read documentation, but who are doing that, right? Default paywall, okay. Here, it's at paywall. Blink list, this one. Okay, here it is, and adding another one. Fig template, okay. Here it is. I added 3 paywalls into this offer. Oh, and we need to somehow split users, so to make this A/B test. How can we do that? Oh, here it is. So it will be 33, 33. Oh, too much. 33. Okay, and that's how we do this A/B testing. Cool. I think I will keep this one as well. I will kind of change it to look it as we need it. Basically different picture and so on. Oh, and before I forget, let's add, I don't need it now, but I would like to test it. Let's add weekly subscription. Let's say, do I have weekly? Oh, that's some kind of autocomplete. Let's go with Habit Weekly. Habit Weekly, product ID will be Habit Weekly as well, that's fine. Missing metadata, we will add metadata, do not worry about that. Availability, all the countries. Price, whatever. What do I charge for months? I do not remember. Can I open it in another screen? What do we have as a monthly price? Current price is $1.99, really? That's crazy cheap actually. So we should increase price to something like let's go with industry standard, shall we? Yeah. Let's go with just market average. I had it somewhere in my presentation, in my own data. No, here. Basically, all categories is something like $30 yearly, monthly $9.99 and $4.99 weekly. I do not feel confident enough to charge so much, but I will charge for monthly at $4.99 and then for weekly with something like smaller. $2.99? I don't know. Okay, what are options? And subscription price. Definitely not 99 cents. Then I will get just, slice of bread. So $1.99 or $2.99. I think for weekly, let's go with $2.99. And then I will change the yeah, whatever. Add localization. So display name will be, what do I use for display name here? What do I use for display name here? Just something like 1 month. Okay. Then here I will use weekly. Or I can use here basically Habits Premium, but I will go with this weekly. And description also will be weekly. Okay. And I will need to add also screenshot here. We don't have it yet, but we can create it from the test. Okay, so if weekly is $2.99, then we should bump up monthly price as well. Yeah, and those prices are still from early launch for a while ago and there wasn't too many features. It's about time to change it. Plan subscription price change everywhere. Date is March 2, and so it will be monthly, will be then something like $4.99. Yes, current users will keep existing price. Do we have any monthly? Okay, whatever, let's keep it. The thing is that you can change price something like $5 in a year for a yearly subscription without kind of getting that notification from Apple that, oh, you basically price is increased and yada yada. I don't know, I should read about that in details, but whatever, for now let's just go like that. Just keep existing price. I don't want to increase price for those who subscribed early on that price. And also we will increase yearly price because why not, right? Shall we? Start date again tomorrow, and price will be then, so it was $4.99 for monthly, so we definitely need to go to something like $14.99. Kind of no-brainer to choose yearly if you are planning to pay anything, but whatever. Okay, again, preserve current price for existing members. Confirm. Actually, that price increase was small. We could bump it higher, but I think that's $14.99 is kind of good sweet spot. How do you know if you priced it right? You never know. You have to test prices. Let's say you get fewer subscribers or even downloads than you hoped for. How do you know that it is failure in pricing or something? So that's the difference. I was asked what is difference between Revenue Cat and Superwall. In Revenue Cat you can see those kind of pricing charts. I don't know how it works in Superwall, maybe you can see that as well. But you can basically test different offers, one with cheaper, another with more expensive price, and then you basically A/B test different offers on the same paywall and you see which is winning. And yeah, basically at the same time you show different price for different users. But yeah, that's the life. In real life, you also got different prices in different stores, offline as well, not only online shops. Currently, I'm just kind of, I know that price is not high and I can just increase it because why not? It's still kind of still should be fine. And also, even if you lose, so if you double the price, and you lose, let's say, half of the, and you will make half less sales, you're still making the same money, right? And most likely you will increase it. Yeah, I understand you. I kind of feel it when I was thinking about that first time. It kind of feels like kind of little bit kind of shady, you know, that basically you are coming, I'm saying to you, this app costs $15, and then let's say George is coming and I'm saying to George, okay, for you this app costs $10, and if you will talk in between each other, you will be kind of, what the fuck, what the others is doing, you know? But it happens in real life as well. In some, you're going in one shop, there are discounts for sneakers, and in another shop, even in the same in the same mall, you have another shop where sneakers are in different price, and that's kind of yeah, okay, I bought them more expensive, so I'm not happy, but that's life, you know. But that is only way how to find what is your right price for your product. I can show you actually revenue cat login projects. So here are some past experiments what I tested. For example, I tested different paywalls. Here is something like pricing test. I don't remember what exactly I tested here. But basically you see that you have basically here, this basically makes less sales and so on, how much users are converting, basically how much sales you made. So here control group $500, here this amount, lifetime value per customer, yada yada. Basically you see where you are winning, where you are losing, and so on. Churned subscribers, basically how all the data basically. Dynamic pricing sucks big time, but it is commonly used. Yes, always booking my flight online with my old shitty Windows laptop. That's for yes. That is everywhere around us. But that's basically only way how you can find what is the best price for your product, you know, just by testing. Okay, this monthly is approved. I interrupted myself. So upcoming price change. Okay, this is yearly. Do I still have that initial offer? I think I have. Yeah, I still have this free for first week. That's good. I want to keep that, yeah. I wonder what the App Store page shows when you are running these kind of tests. Usually check those prices on the App Store page to save me a download if it is not in my range. Oh, that will show you, if you have App Store page will show all the offers that you have. And basically if you have two yearly, basically you have yearly 1, yearly 2 and 2 different prices on them. You will see both of them on the App Store page. But even now, if you will go to the App Store page for some random apps, you will see 5-10 different prices, like, I don't know, Black Friday, what else not, you know. Yeah, and you never know which one you will get on the paywall. Hey Keegan, hello. What marketing do you do for your apps? Content marketing, App Store ads. App Store ads I just started. I don't know much about that, but yeah. Okay, so let me see. Will we get now the audiences? Basically, those are all users. Results. There we will have result tests. What are those 3 users? I don't know. Probably me testing. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Okay, paywalls. I need to fix this paywall, and I'm interested now. Will I see already my weekly product? Because I will need a screenshot for my Apple review. Hey, Harry Potter. Yep, stradaju. Still working. Oh, it's not so late. Harry is saying it's late. It's 11 o'clock. It's fine. Add product. Yeah, there is one-time purchase, but there is no weekly product yet. How can I fetch those? I already forgot how I added those products. Quick start products. Okay, here. Okay, yeah, here it is. Add product. Product identifier. That was weekly. Trial none. Price is $2.99. I think what did I select? I already do not remember. Week. Amazing memory. Right? Missing metadata, we will add that metadata too. Don't worry. 222 current pricing, it was $2.99, yes. And yeah, this product price here doesn't really matter, that is just for previews and everything, I think. 2146 here for no privacy. 2140. Yeah, I'm 1 hour ahead of you. Okay, that's week. Product identifier was weekly, I think. I better double check, you know. Okay, which is I definitely do not keep to open it, do not trick myself. Okay. So product ID habit weekly. Okay. Product ID habit weekly. Price I already added. Period. Period is week. And can we fetch it? No. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. And those we should update prices for those. Can we fetch this one? Because price is not correct. No. Okay, whatever. So price was probably $4.99. I definitely need to write it down or do something. It's just silly. What was price? Upcoming changes, but okay, what did I select? I selected. Okay, I guess $4.99. It actually doesn't matter. That is just for previews because in real life it will fetch price from the backend anyways. And this one is now $14.99. Okay, save. Actually, we should also, but I'm not planning to offer that habit one-time purchase anymore. Okay, so now back to paywalls. So in this paywall, I would like to offer yeah, it doesn't much sense. Doesn't add. Okay, I will just add this weekly here, just to have it. Reference name. What is reference name here? Okay, weekly. Okay. Oh, it shows only 2 prices here on this paywall, right? Yes. And if you will choose hide options, then it will go with that, basically whatever is selected. Actually, this paywall doesn't fit well 3 products. I should change it. Okay, let's change. Let's add 1 more paywall. Currently, I need just 1 more paywall to show all the three products, get approval from Apple for that weekly price, and then I can play around, you know, with different combinations. Let's take a look. Maybe there is something interesting with weekly product in it as well. I don't like this one, but okay. Yearly plan and weekly. I like kind of this kind of thing that you have something like popular, save this, save that, but paywall itself kind of meh. monthly, yearly. Oh, that's an interesting way to say 12 months or 1 week. Actually, I should have one option for yearly, but without trials. That could be way more interesting to test, you know. Yearly, monthly, lifetime. No, I'm not planning to offer lifetime at all. Here's only weekly. Also, we can show, for example, paywall where we're showing one product and then kind of behind the see more, something like that. Other products. Or maybe this one. Yeah, but that is for 2 products actually. Yearly is with trial and monthly is without trial. I could add here weekly just to see what will happen. It doesn't make much sense, you know, to choose that weekly. If you have in yearly, if in yearly you have free trial, which is 7 days for free, why should you kind of buy weekly subscription? But I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, probably no. This is interesting. Here is yearly, just yearly plan without trial. This is 7 days free trial, then yearly. Basically the same offer, but one with another one without the free trial. It's, I don't know, looks strange. So much text, I don't like it really. It's something simpler. Maybe monthly and weekly could be interesting when you do not offer yearly at all. And not real. Actually, this could be interesting option. Show 2 prices, one weekly, another monthly, and do not show yearly at all. Actually, in that case, I can try. Yeah, that could be interesting experiment. In that case, actually, I can try this one and basically remove the remove yearly with trial, because trial doesn't really work on this paywall. So you can test it before committing to the punches. Yeah, we will have weekly and monthly. Customer can choose. Okay, which should be default? Probably monthly, because it's basically way cheaper, right? But the problem is that we don't have. What will happen if we go to this hide options? We have to have restore button, and we have to have links to the terms and services, all that stuff. So this paywall firstly will go just for approval of the weekly product. Whatever. I don't think it will convert well, but let's give it a try. monthly will be default. And okay, products, that's fine. How can I edit that? Okay, we don't have introduce the offer. But how can I edit what is behind this kind of hide options thing? State 2 values. Oh. No. State. Yeah, showing options, but where can I edit those options? Notifications, settings, debugger. It should be somewhere in the layout, right? Not right. I don't see how can I edit that second part of the thing, or that is not editable. Okay, let me see that in preview. Is here preview? No, I would like to see in this preview. Just came across the app making 10K per month while having so many 1 and 2 star reviews. Yeah, you know, sometimes you are kind of looking on those high earning applications and kind of thinking, what the hell? How? Why? It's crazy, you know, but... Oh, I didn't change product. Okay, whatever. How can I get to the editing to this thing? Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how much money some of those apps are making. You're kind of looking and kind of, why? How? It's indeed crazy. Okay, products. I actually removed this yearly thing. Okay, how to hit publish. Okay, whatever. It's in development anyways. We can publish half-baked things. Left button is close. That's fine. Okay, we need to change that image. Where is image? Icon. People are complaining that 7-day trial tries charge them for yearly subscription and so on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, some of those apps in the App Store are just poor scam, you know. That's also a fact. I don't know what is in this case, you know, but some of those apps are just scamming users, which is crazy. But that happens. Oh, here it is, background. Found it, finally. Okay, I can upload. I somewhere downloaded my Midjourney generated images. There should be something like I was something, not a robot. Somewhere in downloads. Let's hope those will not be my nude pictures or something. Yeah, I do not see them. I think... Yeah, who knows where they are. Right, Marco? You should be careful when you upload images to the internet. I created before. I used something, one of those, probably this girl or this one. I used this one. Probably. Oh, actually I uploaded it onto the adaptive paywalls. And that was working decently well. Yeah, this one. Did I crop it somehow? Or what? Hero image. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's cropped. Where did I saved it or something? Can I download it? No, I can upload. How I named it? Yeah, no name, nothing. Something design maybe? Yeah. It should be maybe in design. Yeah. Fasting, blank, habits, icon, no. Alternative icons, no. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, amazing. I don't know where I have it. Okay, let's re-download it and okay, where is my Midjourney thing? Lost it. Oh, here it is. Okay, probably that's this one. Oh, music ended. Should we go to sleep or what? I'm hungry as well. In the midnight. What I'm supposed to do now? Go to sleep, eat, or something else? Okay, let's try. Let's try to upload this one and we'll see how that will look like. Okay, upload. Downloads. Yeah, something like iOS Mayors, yada yada, but seems that I cropped that image for adaptive. Doesn't look good. It's too bright. Doesn't fit paywall at all. There is that yellowish color. That's good, but it's kind of too bright. We could add some overlay, something. Okay, let's do. Could be cool if I know how you make overlays in Pixelmator. I'm probably even a little bit more handy in the Photoshop, but let's try to do something quickly. We need to insert probably shape, rectangle. Oh my gosh. One is enough, we don't need two. Then some kind of gradient. How do you do that here? I don't know. Gradient, okay, not vibrant, basic. And then we should go from something like where you set one thing and another thing. Okay, here, okay. Nah, wait a minute. Gradient. Ah, okay, I see. That's from center, this is from something. How you can make it? Oh, okay. That way. Okay, we need this. We need this way, let's go. Nah, I just want black. Can I get black, please? Yes, no? Oh, that's already gradient. Yes. That's what I need. Cool. Something like that. Okay, let's make that frame bigger. Maybe it's still too bright here on the top, but we will... Can we crop it somehow a bit? Okay, let's start with this one. Let's export this one. JPEG, whatever, 100. Desktop will be fine. It's probably too contrasty, right? Yeah, it is. Give me back that gradient thing. It's kind of very sharp cut here. Opacity. No, we need normal opacity. Okay, whatever, let's try. Again, I need this paywall to get approval for that weekly thing. If that will make any sales, it will be kind of interesting. Yeah, this is way too bright. Probably we could cut the top. Oh, nice. Close button is well hidden. Let's change color. Okay, let's upload first that image. No, it is on desktop. Oh. Didn't I say? Oh, documents. No, I said desktop. Yeah, this one. Uploading. Oh, it's better, but that sharp cut here doesn't look good at all. Maybe we should move it to the very top. Yeah, that's way too sharp. Okay, let's see. If I will move it to the very top, it's kind of better, and then make it brighter here, darker on the bottom, brighter on the top. Yep, that could work. And probably we need to crop it somehow on the top as well. How do we do that here? Not by that, nah, not like that. That was something like blah blah blah. You basically have to change proportion. Whatever. Fine. This is good. Is it? Actually, too much white space. No, it's not good. Okay. Transform. No, image. Trim canvas. Oh, found it. Trim canvas. What will I do like that? I don't know. What will happen now? Nah, it was something else, not what I expected. Wait, if I will resize... Okay, let's... If I will resize... Okay, I'm resizing just that. No, there was option to somehow canvas size. Okay, that's in pixels. Who can I just drag and drop? Okay, let's say whatever, 800. Oh, that's width. Okay, no, my bad. Then 1050. 300, 200. Yeah, something like that, maybe even 100. Yep, that will be good. And then we will move image. Nah, image, I said image. We'll move image a little bit on the top and rectangle a little bit back down. Something like that. And there is half of the this bubble, half of the bubble is cut. I don't like that. Yeah, this will be better. Okay. Now it's good enough for sure. Why so silent on YouTube? Everyone's sleeping already. Set the top opacity to 0 to remove the sharp edge. Oh, sorry, that's already solved. Yeah, hey Martin. Everyone's sleeping already, seems that. I should sleep soon as well, but the problem is I don't want to sleep yet. I don't know what to do with that. Okay, let's upload. Is it still exporting or what? Why it is not available? Did I export it? Our Mayor's desktop, yes. Yes, replace please. Should be done. Okay, can we upload it? No? Okay, here it is. Cool. The volume seems off compared to other videos. Can barely hear you from laptop speakers. Oh, really? Is it better now? Can you hear me now better? Or that's the same? And music, we can make it a little bit louder. I don't know, something like that. Let me know. Better. Okay. Microphone was kind of okay. Should be. Seems that it's not peaking, but louder. Should be good. Much better. Okay. You should say earlier. Yeah, thank you, Martin. Okay, now it looks kind of okayish. That close button is hidden. Not cool, right? I will change it to I'll say orange maybe to fit the color. Okay, color. Clear, and then we choose color, and I will choose basically the same orange what we have here. Nah. Okay, let's be honest, let's just add like orange button. It's still kind of hidden, you know, on that all behind, but it is here and I'm basically doing my best to show it. Always happy to give all kind of feedback. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so funny, but my ears starting to hurt. On the go now, I just wanted to say hello. Hello, Vadim. I really want to be my own boss. I'm technically not fully 100% my own boss because I have one freelance customer, but kinda. And it is I think it is cool, yeah. That's definitely not for everyone. Not everyone likes that, but I think it is cool. I like that. Freelance clients are many bosses. Yeah, I have just one. But yeah. Okay, so that hide options is kind of silly here. I don't know why do we even need it, but we definitely need elements, 2 of them. That probably will be button. You should try using an image with real person. I think it will look and feel better. Maybe. This one is quite photorealistic, I think. And I don't know, what will I put on that, you know? Some... myself? Some random person? I don't know. But yeah, that's... I agree. I can A/B test again and kind of put something, you know, myself, for example, on that paywall. Is it built in Swift UI? This one? No. This one is built using web, basically tool to build it. Okay, here we need basically... the app is meant to humans to build habits. True, I agree. Hello, and the keyboard camera, sure we have keyboard camera. But I just imagine that you probably would like to see what I'm doing on screen. It will help users to connect with app. Yeah, but what do you think? Should I put my photo there? And if I'm putting my photo there, what do I do there? Maybe sitting at the desk writing something? Probably. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, but that's good feedback. Yeah, I will think about that definitely. So we need button. Oh. Good that we have back here. I need here in this. Oh, okay, that's text, not button. I need it here in this. No, that's a button. And this is button. So then we need button here, right? Photo for carpenter days, building habits. Yeah. Maybe. So we need button probably. How it's got here, so we need it on another level. Can I just somehow drag and drop it? Yes, I kind of can. So probably we need some stacking thing. Vertical products, segment picker, text stack. Oh, here is stack. Okay. Stack. Okay. That's vertical stack. We need horizontal stack. How do you change it? Okay, here, horizontal, vertical. Okay. And then we need this button in the same stack. Oh, no. 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 I see what I did. Can I go just... Yeah, I want to take back. Thank you. So, this stack currently is empty. I would like to have this button in the stack. Then this button in the stack. Did I change it? I changed it. Oh, I need horizontal. Yes. Cool. We have progress. We need one more button here. That is going again to the stack. Okay, cool. So this button will be something. Can I make it way smaller without background and everything? That should be just text. Size. Where I'm changing all the jazz. So tab behavior. Dynamic? No. It could be cool if I somehow can copy it from another paywall, because I have them in another paywall. For now, I will say put whatever, and as you gather data to see what people are struggling with, you can decide what's the best image to show. Maybe journaling, meditation, drinking water, skincare. Yeah, you're right. That makes sense, because this basically is whatever picture, some random AI girl looking to some obviously AI generated tablet. It's kinda, yeah. The prompt was something like techie programmer. Yeah, programmer. I don't even remember, but was something related to programmers. Can I see prompt? Yeah, here it is. Habit tracker app hero image featuring young programmer. Very kind of weak prompt, and basically that's the result. But I don't know. Fingers, of course, are kind of... Check those fingers. Oops, scroll it away. Oh, it's scrolling. Yeah, here it is. Whoa. Yeah, at least correct number of fingers. But yeah, imagine you meet this AI girl in the bar, and she's sitting just like normal, they are talking everything, and then when she stands up, you see, oh my holy moly, 3 legs. Mine, oh, I hope no. I hope no. Okay, I'm running out of the kvass. I have one more in the fridge. It seems that I'm here for a bit more, so I'll be back. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah. I know you know why. And it also works like great argument when you are in calls with QA and some, what else not. So, another class. I got myself a slice of cheese, sorry, I will be eating it. It also kind of helps you when you are when boss is calling for one-on-one meeting, when you are kind of sitting in the meeting and kind of scratching something. Thank you. Hey, not Hezito. Hello. Such a Latvian. Okay. I agree with your arguments about the image, but let's do not focus on that now. Oh, Ekaterina, ciao, hello. Yeah, cheers. So, how can I remove that background on those buttons? Basically, I need similar, no, not to this, but to this button. This canvas has kind of small, nice text. Play with the Cloudflare image uploader and editor in SwiftUI. Okay. I show it her the knife and she is here now. Yes, you know, kind of just in case. You never know what you will need. iPod or notes or knife or, I don't know, another mouse. You should be prepared for whatever comes. Yeah, bye Marco. Yeah, good night. I'm happy that I started with this paywall. I like those colors, I like two products. I don't like this hide option button. I'm kind of, I'm thinking I will just jump off and I will look for just another paywall with two products. Because I don't understand how to edit that hide options feature. Because since I decided that I will go with just two products, it makes my choice easier here. Knife is better than Cyberpunk. Okay. And that button under the table. Sure, yeah. I can't play with one hand since I have to do massage self. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Cyberpunk with one hand could be challenging. Even game controller will not help. Okay, quickly, just grab something random, right? I'll watch tomorrow those 2 streams. Need to go now. Oh, on YouTube you will find just 1 stream. I stream it on Twitch only on the morning. And yeah, on Twitch there are no saved videos. But yeah, anyways. Aren't you streaming on Kick anymore? Not really. There were, I don't know, 3 people were watching me, and I had problems with bandwidth of power of my Mac to stream on 3 destinations. Now when I have streaming PC, I could stream to the Twitch again, but I don't know, when I'm opening it, it's kind of, I don't know, gambling streams, what else not. It's kind of weird. Should I? I don't know. So if I'm opening again, first one immediately some slot machine. All of the rest looks probably normal, but there was something like browse, categories, games, gambling, creative. Programming was hidden somewhere. In creative, categories, oh here it is, software and game design. And when you open it, then you see that there is 62 watching and 5,000 followers, which is more than 0. But if we compare with Twitch, browse, software and game development, here is 386,000 followers for this category, right? And here 5,000 followers for this category. So it's close to 0, you know. I may come to morning streams if you stream on Kick. I stream it on Twitch on morning. Currently, this stream is going on Twitch and YouTube. And there was usually, you know, just 2-3 people watching on Kick, but you have to keep an eye on 3 chats then. Currently 2 chats, that's kind of okay. When it is 3, it's kind of getting already crazy. Yeah, not a big programming audience, exactly, yeah. What project would you use React Native? I don't use React Native. I do not develop anything using React Native, to be honest. And yeah, here the most watched stream is how many? 17 people is watching one stream. And on here, if we sort by viewers high to low, then 180, 155, basically plenty of watchers. But if you will see, yeah, but basically, yeah, that's basically, yeah, that here are way more kind of people on Twitch. I don't know. So I stopped streaming completely, and then when I started to stream again, I started on Twitch and YouTube only. Anyways, most of my audience is on YouTube, so I'm focusing most on YouTube, but there are part of them like kind of better Twitch chat. For example, Marco, he's coming to the YouTube when I'm not streaming on Twitch, but he prefers Twitch chat, and he is not only one, there are a few more, you know. They like to watch me on Twitch, and why should I do not give them this option, you know? Hello, Foxbit. Foxbit was the only one who was watching me on Kick, and that was basically stream for Foxbit only. So he now suffering, but watching me on Twitch. So that's solved. Adblocks works on Twitch, so he's happy. Oh, that's a good question, Marco. For free trial, how do I handle the 5-day reminder? In the Superwall, actually, it is here. You can basically can send it from the Superwall. But before, when I used custom Paywall, I have it open, and here basically I schedule a reminder on successful purchase for product which has free trial. I just on the app side, on mobile app side, basically enabled this thing, you know, triggered local notification. But Superwall kind of seems that they are sending this notification. Oh, I wasn't too active on community today as well, Marco. Sorry, Foxbit. Take a look on that food check template. Might be what you are looking for. Also has a nice image. Yeah. You think this one? Caloric? Maybe we can even keep this image. I think you're thinking about this one, right? We can even use that image as well because it's kind of food check. Okay, food check. But this one also looks good. Food check, food check. Which was that? No, that was probably... Can I search here? Food. 0, okay. Food check. That was caloric something, which was food check. Oh, I need probably look on those names. Edu I, Zest, Mimo, Super Up. Roy, Yubo, Visory. I do not see food check here. Speak, video background, multi-page. You are very right on it. Chat has the light, that definitely doesn't help. Moyo, limited time of fitness AI. You can do Command F. No, it's Command F. What? Food? I don't see anything on food. Oh, it kind of finds something, kind of shows something. Food check. Okay, found it. Kinda, yeah. Yeah. I see. Here we need to add those kind of ratings. I already have ratings on that before the paywall. I agree, it kind of works. But now I kind of catched my eye with that. Yeah, this actually is good one. But I somehow... I would like to try this one. What is this on the top? Is it something like... Is it text or are those images? Oh, that's image. AI magic, that's not what we need. Auto macros goal tracking. Okay, nope. Oh, it will save it here. Okay, good. I like that template. Okay, let's go to that food check. I agree, that's good paywall, but... Okay, let's use it. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, let's add products first. So I will say primary will be... Probably we will add monthly, and secondary will be weekly. Like that. I don't think it's necessary a problem to regulate the reviews again on the paywall. Yeah, no, I don't think we need reviews here. But we'll see how we can remove them, how that even works and all that jazz. I definitely don't want them here. Okay, layout, toolbar, that's for close. Yeah, review container, there are all those reviews. I don't know, but what I will fill here is kind of empty without it. It will not work. Ask ChatGPT where food check is. What? Hey, Nunchi. Write your first code in Rust. Okay, cool. Superwall is great. But have you heard of Wonderwall? No? Yeah, maybe. And probably eventually I will remove those reviews from that Swift UI screen, because I kind of iffy, do I really need that screen? That paywall preparation view, this one. Those are actually real reviews from the App Store. Whatever, let's go and populate those cards. We are sitting on this task way too long already, and I would like to finish it today. So, text, That's author text, that's content. So content is this one. Oh, I don't need those quotes. That was Piotr. But we didn't have that awesome. Oh, it's go awesome everywhere. Okay, whatever, let's go. Author. Author was Piotr. So text here, author will be Selkel. Does it sell out data? Which one? Superwall. What is your question about? Simple and to the point. That was exactly. Okay. Okay, next author was Mike. Yeah, probably we need to change that awesome to something else, otherwise it's very repetitive. Ivor, will you ever get Mac Mini? No. Why should I? I don't plan to get one. I will change to something great up, something like that. And this will be just great. Greta. Great. I had Mac Mini. I had Intel i5 Mac Mini back in the days, but I don't know. I don't really need it. Okay, transform your life, ultimate, unlock your ultimate, unlock your ultimate. Jesus, what do I write? Something like very inspiring and not too dumb. Probably I saw how something in my promotion text. Track your habits on your home screen. Whatever. Or transform your life through the power of small daily actions. Blah blah blah. I don't know. Oh, that looks like probably that's ChatGPT. Can't believe it was me who wrote this. Hey Ashish, are you upgrading to new Mac? No, my Mac is perfectly fine even with this nice and amazing dent on it. No, I'm not planning yet. I have M1 Pro. That Mac handles programming just fine. Streaming was a challenge for it, but I got streaming PC, so it's fine. Get a hold of your life and build habits that last. Get a hold of your life. Build habits that last. I like that. Hello, good sir. Hello. That then hurts my brain. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my friend. Oh, it's slippery. I don't know. Everything's sliding up. Sorry, can't help really. Sticker. I hope it's sticker. That could look even worse, right? Oh, at least it's hidden. Yeah, we had kind of some discussions about React Native, Flutter, and what else not. Okay, so where we are. Transform your life. take control of your life and form habits that last. Let's say here, form habits that last, something like that. Hey Jeroen, hello. I think transfer for your life is kind of good beginning. So take control of your life also is good, but I think transform your life is shorter and kinda. Yeah, but thank you for suggestion. I will take that second part from it. I want to get a new MacBook. Want to switch from HP 8 Gen i5. Currently thinking of base model M5 Pro. M5? It's not released yet. We have M4 only. 512 gigabytes SSD, 24 gigabytes RAM. Or should I put some more money and get 48 gigabyte 14-inch one? Yeah, depends what you are doing, you know. RAM will be the bottleneck eventually. So I would buy something more than 24 gigabytes of RAM nowadays. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, and sometimes I see low system memory warnings. That really depends what do you do on it. I use Nunchi, I need to screenshot this. I'm screenshotting this. Especially the thing about grow taller. That's amazing. I should put that on Paywall, you know? Oh, it's running away. Chat, stop. I hope I saved it. I'm definitely putting that on Paywall. Did I save it? Documents, screenshot. Yeah, but that's Paywall. That's Paywall, definitely. A very trustable review. Yeah, M4. So you may... So 512 gigabytes of SSD is not too much. That's bare minimum, I will say, that you need. So you can fill that quick. Then when you will have that filled, then swapping will be a problem. And you basically will start to see low RAM warnings. Yes, I will try to add more memory. RAM first, and if you have any spare money left, then SSD as well. I have 1 terabyte SSD, and that's comfortable. I don't have any problems. Basically, I rarely have to delete something. Basically, but again, everyone's habits is different. You know how much space do you need on machine based on your previous machine. So probably 512 is enough. 24 gigs, kind of okayish today, but if you will use this machine for 3, 4, maybe 5 years, I'm using my MacBook for already 3+ years. So I was thinking that I'm buying it for about a year. I got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I was thinking, whatever, I will upgrade in a year or two. But basically, it's just fine. But yeah, I start to feel that RAM, basically running into the problem on RAM. Got good customer quote for website indeed. Definitely, yeah, we'll put it somewhere. That's at least great joke, and I love great dad jokes. You know, if it is funny for me, it's good joke. Oh, I need to add products, didn't I? I added products. I want to have 2 products only. This one and this one. That's it. Should I? Oh, okay, I can just delete it, right? Do I need annual on this paywall? I don't even know. Maybe. No, I don't want to have. I just want 2 products on that paywall. And here, is it text? We don't need it. Go away. Something not cool. Yeah, I see all that why we have this message, but this will be second product here. Why do we have all this shit here? I don't really need it. Can I delete it, please? And I don't need this either. I just need price per month. That's it. And here we should have products primary price per products primary period. And here we will have products. Oh my gosh, why there is no text? Somehow I got this annual back. Okay, we will deal with this thing. What's the shit? Here is text. How I can get text here? Just stack. Basically, I need the same thing here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Can't tell I am super excited about this paywall builder. Maybe I need to read some instruction or watch some tutorial video, but you know, that's not how we are doing that. Preview to see what it shows. Yeah, we can do that. Let's go to the preview. I think there will be some mess up with this pricing. Oh yeah, that's okay. Let's go. Whew. What backend are you using for this? For this? That's Superwall. I have MacBook Pro M1 8GB of RAM and MacBook Mini M2 8GB. Both are great. Yeah, those are great machines. If 8GB of RAM is enough for what are you doing, then those are great machines. For me, 8GB unlikely will be enough because for me already 16GB are a little bit short. Yeah, it's broken so badly. For habit tracking application, iCloud. Which tools do you use to sketch and build the app design? If it is Figma or use some custom components? I rarely do. Here is my, I can show you my design tool. No, not this one. Here is my design, basically. Can you see something, anything? Okay. Something, some logic, then, I don't know, some screens. That's my design. Those are my design tools. Basically, pen and paper or iPad, again, something else here. See? Badly. Okay, here. Yeah, this is my offline Figma, yeah. Indeed. Yeah, basically I usually just sketching. Sometimes that's iPad, but anyways, it's, you know, pen is as good as iPad. You don't really need iPad to do sketches. And yeah, that is. And then I'm jumping to the Xcode. I would say I really never really do some detailed design. I will just quickly check what will happen if I will add prices here. Oh, I'm tired already from those paywalls. I definitely need to read how to build those paywalls, but I didn't, and yeah. Yeah, not good. Probably I should finalize fixing this paywall, I don't know. I just needed to add those buttons. Oh my gosh. That's me. Okay. How can we remove that background? Okay, I will finalize with this thing. This continue full should be 14. I need text only. How to remove that background? Okay, here it is. Now. Clear. Oh, fuck. So text should be white then. Now. Color. Clear. And then we will copy the text. This is grayish. Okay, same thing, clear, same grayish thing, no background. Okay, so this will be privacy. Add action, something like open link. Cool, we have progress. Links, privacy. Okay. So that's privacy, that will be terms. This will be terms, link, this one. Add action, open URL, this one, done. Okay, not bad. So this is our terms. Terms will go here. No, not here. I mean, here. No. Fuck. Come on. Nah. In the stack, but can I move them around? What does this do? Oh. Nice, move up. Cool, that works. Stack, can I somehow space them? There should be something. Okay. Horizontal center. Spacing. Okay, that kind of works. cool. Hi, when you plan to release the app tonight? I'm not getting any older today, that's why I say goodbye, bye friends, and okay, good night folks, but I had just one too much at restaurant tonight, else I would have started the stream. Okay. Yeah, exactly, drunk stream is not so bad. I'm on Kvass. Oh, I forgot that I'm not sharing screen, sorry guys. I'm planning to submit it tonight for the review. Product secondary period, capitalized access. Yeah, that will be something like weekly access. And then will be billet. Yeah, secondary price. Yeah, that will be right. Weekly price per week, that is correct. Yes, this is also correct. Kvass, let's go. That's what happens when you drink too much, you forget that you no longer share your screen. Yeah, you never know, maybe I just kind of pretended, who knows. Have a good night, yeah, Jordan. Good night. What does it taste like? Oh, it's like something, so it is made by beer brewery, so it kind of saying something about it, right? It's close to the, it's somewhere, taste is somewhere in between beer and lemonade. It's kind of like sweet beer without any alcohol in it. Something like that, I don't know. And it's made from bread. So, I don't know, something like that. Okay, so here, I will, I don't even know if I need this button, because what does it do? Have you ever used hard paywall? Hard paywall is not allowed actually. And no, I didn't. Even I had 2 1-star ratings that I have hard paywall. It actually wasn't. You was able to always to swipe it down. But yeah, I didn't. Hard paywall is very questionable, you know, because you never really know what are you losing when you using it. Hello, how consistent you are with YouTube videos? I'm trying to do weekly. It's kind of not always I manage, but I try to do at least live stream or short, at least something, you know. I will not lie that it is kind of always easy. Okay, I will hide this one and I will just add one more button. It's not always easy without the, you know, kind of life often getting in a way, but I'm doing my best to show up. And this will be restore. Okay. Oh, wrong button. No. I mean, this button will be restore. Restore, color, we will go with the same grayish color that we have here. And we will remove that background. I kind of learned how it works, and probably we need smaller font. I think maybe 16 is better, 14 is kind of too small. Let's go 16 here and here. Okay, publish. How you build any apps that require a backend, or do you try to build apps that don't require any backend to avoid paying for something like Firebase? Yes, I built a few apps which are using Firebase as a backend. And that was for a while ago. That was for freelance customers. Two different customers, for both I used Firebase. One was loyalty program, another was kind of Paywall app prototype, of course, not real app. You will not use Firebase for real app, but yeah, I did. For my own applications, no, I don't. I build offline first and then do just bare minimum kind of backend for data persistence and so on. For freelance projects that I'm working now, they are already quite big, and there are development team, and we have custom backend and all the jazz, you know. Yeah, somehow we don't have price here. I think that's because we are not fetching it from backend yet. I don't know. Let's try to basically run it now to see how it looks like. And those are 3 paywalls are published. And yeah, let's build product and we'll see which paywall I will see. Interesting. Okay, paywall. Yeah. I am using App Store. Oh, I'm using lock. Wait a minute. What config do I have? I think I'm using local prices, right? Build, run, store kit configuration. Yeah, I'm using local store kit. Let's use none, and then we will fetch prices and products from the App Store. Still, I don't like those prices because those are not correct prices. Why are we getting that? Did I change scheme? I think I did. Store kit configuration? None. So basically, okay, let's see what will happen if I will change. Will we fetch those products at some moment? Nothing. Okay. At least we have different result. Purchases. What do I have here from configs? I have local products. And in local products, I definitely don't have weekly product. And I have online products. Online products are not synchronized. Let's synchronize. Will I fetch my weekly product? And will I update prices? No, weekly product is not fetched. But at least prices are correct. No. Oh, family sharing is off. Why? I would like to enable, but okay, whatever. Yeah, that weekly product is not here yet. And for local products, I can add it, of course. Okay, so monthly is it was $4.99, I think. Yearly now is $14.99, and I will add weekly. Add renewable subscription, reference name, product ID. What's wrong here? Maybe I have, yeah, I have space here, okay. Do you have to provide a store kit file for the final product in the App Store? No, you don't need. That store kit file is needed only for testing locally against Xcode. That's just for that. And I think that was something like $2.99. I don't remember already. Oh, yeah, we have it weekly. Oh, it's not non-renewing, it is a renewing subscription. I just added wrongly. Okay, whatever, let's delete it and add correct one. It's auto-renewing subscription. Yeah, auto-renewing subscription, here it is. Habit Premium, same group, reference name, done. That's 1 week and $2.99. Okay. So basically, when it is used, so I have one, this is synchronized with App Store. Basically, products are fetched automatically, but I do not fetch my weekly product yet because it's not confirmed. In local products, you can add basically whatever you want, even if those products do not match what you have in the App Store Connect. And when you launch the product for testing locally or whatever, you can edit scheme. And in the scheme here, running scheme, basically that is debugging when you run it on simulator, archive, basically that's released into App Store and so on and so on. Here you can choose StoreKit configuration. And now I'm choosing, for example, local products. That means that I will use this local products that I just kind of modified. And now when I'm running it, then Paywall will try to match those product identifiers. Basically, it is not fetching from the App Store products, but looking in the Xcode locally and looking for the same product identifiers. Yeah, here it is. Prices are totally off. Something is wrong with config and so on, but basically, yeah. I configure always in App Store Connect and do synchronize. Yes, currently that is option, but when they just introduced this testing in Xcode, then only local products were possible. And somehow it doesn't work. Prices are off. I don't know. Maybe I will just delete it. Because whatever, YOLO. But this is synchronized, but I am not fetching my weekly price. That's the problem. Yeah, maybe clean and build could help. Yeah, that's a good suggestion actually. Because something is off. Let's even know even let's delete derived data clean. Okay, let's drop all the archives, all the derived data, clean all of that mess. Maybe that will make some difference. No, I didn't provide screenshot yet because I would like to make the paywall with this product first, you know? But seems that it will not work in this way. Therefore, I have missing metadata. Maybe that is the reason why we are not fetching it. We'll see. If I will not be able to do that differently, I will provide the screenshot with missing price and all that jazz. And then we'll see. You have to force the sync. Okay. Probably. Yeah, then that is the reason. But it's kind of dumb, you know, how I can provide screenshot for products that I are not able to show on the paywall. But okay, whatever. It's kind of dumb, you know. I would like to add this product to the paywall, show how it will look, and then get it approved, but okay, whatever. Yeah, make no sense. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I will show it without the product and price, and then and probably for the period of review I should enable just that paywall, which will have this weekly subscription just in case they would like to test it, because I have 3 different paywalls for A/B testing, so I will disable that A/B test for that period for sure. Come on. Yeah, actually I could upload now whatever picture and then kind of fetch prices and get the right one. Okay, but I would like to get it done tonight just to send it for review. Okay, let's do screenshot. Missing metadata. I know, Apple. Oh, probably size is not correct. Okay, let's do just screenshot like that. Oh, no, not like that, like that, yeah. Your duration is also missing. Really? Maybe. Oh, here is weekly. Oh, where is duration missing? No, yeah, right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's try to fetch. Yeah, you were right. Here it is now. Now it is synchronized. Kind of dumb, you know. Upload whatever your nude first and then make screenshot and why prices are not... Okay, what do I use now in config? Edit scheme. Oh, okay. So we need to use this one. Okay. This one is correct and price is corrected, fetched correctly. This one doesn't show price. Why? Do I have something like ID wrong? Maybe? ID is habit weekly. Let's see, maybe I need to refetch that product somehow here on the... Okay, I will delete it and will add product again. Maybe that will fetch it somehow. Cannot archive product. Okay, then edit. Can I fetch it somehow? Yeah, I do not see that I could do anything. Basically, info below is used only in dashboard previews. In-app pricing is localized, pulled directly from App Store and Google Play Store. Okay. But let's see. If I will try to add one more time. Yeah, it's kind of auto-populated everything. But it's basically the same product. Will I get some duplication warning? Anything? Endless spinner. And yeah, didn't add because whatever. So I don't know, here everything looks correct. Here we have product fetched. Maybe that's again cleaning the product. Let's clean build folder again. Let's kill the simulator. Let's kill the Xcode. Yeah, in-app purchase testing, even locally, is interesting. And then also, if you ever add in-app purchase products, do not set up for auto release, because often it happens so that Apple approves application but do not approve in-app purchase products. And then it may happen that your app is released but in-app purchases are not approved yet and your paywall doesn't work, and you can just panic and think what to do now, basically. Remove app from the store or what. So yeah, be careful about that. Okay, one more time. So, edit scheme. Which do we use? Yes, this one. Let's try to build. Can I please get preview for product with price to get it submitted finally for the review? Okay, building. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Yeah, delete. No need to save. Was it simulator? Yes. Come on. You can do it. No. Okay, finally. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Price is not fetched. Okay, if I will use it without config, and we will fetch prices from the App Store. prices and products. I don't know. Currently, I'm running it without. So monthly price, it is $199. That's correct because price will switch to $299 tomorrow. That's fine. But this weekly product is not fetched. The only thing that comes to mind is to go back to the Superwall. Then I can go to the paywalls. Yeah, that's the right question. Yeah, is my paywall correct? Exactly. We don't know. We will try to check that. So here in the paywall we have it weekly product. That's kind of correct. So maybe why it is gray? Oh no, it's not gray. $299 live. Something wrong here. It should be months. Okay, let's go back to the products. Habit weekly. Period here is week. Something not good, so I will delete it and add again. I can't delete it because we are using it in the two paywalls. I will go to this paywall and will remove that product. Clock. Done. Again, products. Delete. Oh, I didn't save. Okay. Publish. Yes. It's not released yet, so it's fine. We can mess up here. Again, products, delete, then this template. Products, delete, save. Are we good now? Okay. Again, products, delete, yes, archive, good. Add product. So the product ID is Habit Weekly. So we need product ID here. Okay, Habit Weekly. Can you fetch it for me? Okay, it's fetched it. Basically all that was populated from the App Store. So that's correct. So save it please now. I don't like that spinner. Come on. What's wrong here? Okay, let's refresh. Oh, it is here after refresh. I don't know. It's iffy. Okay, do I have... And treatment, okay, that looks correct. Again, back to the products. Subscription period correct and entitlement correct. Okay, looks correct. Let's go back to the... Yeah, let's go back to the paywall. Let's add product. Secondary will be weekly. Yeah, now it shows week. Something was wrong with the product, I think. Publish. Something was wrong with this product kind of fetching here. And now we can try to just rerun it. It should update. Oh, it fetch paywalls on startup, so probably we need to at least kill application. Interesting. It will update or not, or we need to build it. Yes, it works now. Whew. Finally. Okay, now I can screenshot this one and I'm submitting it for review. That should kinda be fine. Yeah, nice, yeah. Yeah, thanks for help, yeah. And that definitely was paywall. But yeah, this process that you have to upload that screenshot before, that's just dumb, you know. Okay. Okay. Submit for review. What else? Dude, I just added review information. Do we need notes? I don't think so. We have screenshot. We really have. I don't think notes should be optional. Is it submitted now? Yeah, waiting for review. Okay, cool. Whew. Okay, and I will basically I will disable those. Currently I have kind of experiment how I can. So those are my active paywalls. Where is this campaigns? No. Where did I did this test? Not in charts. No. No, that should be in campaign. Default campaign, paywalls. Ah, yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, that is 100 users, those are 0 users. So this is one and only default paywall currently. And as soon as Apple will approve it, then I can start to run those two as well. Is this first deployment or it's an update? It is update for existing app. Basically, I'm changing paywalls. Currently I'm using adaptive paywalls in this application. This app, I released it something December 20 something, and currently I'm using adaptive paywalls, but I'm kind of not big fan of adaptive. I wanted to test it, and now I would like to give it a try, test it on with Superwall paywalls. Basically, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, should I change anything else? I don't remember. Probably no. Yeah, basically I have create Superwall paywalls in my to-do list. That was last task for today. Yeah, probably that's it. Okay, so I don't remember. Should I bump build version? Probably. what I have to for one and current production version probably also is 2 for basically that. Yeah. So what did I change besides paywalls? I think that nothing. And that's basically store kit update. And in history, yeah, I fixed paywalls, temporary fix for paywalls, Superwall paywall added, show paywall on onboarding. Yeah, that's basically kind of commitment view updated. What I changed it here. Yeah, remember, basically I changed it to I added default commitment. Yeah, basically nothing here is. You didn't use Xcode Cloud? No, I don't. Why should? Do I miss anything? I kind of took a look on it for our freelance project, but for our freelance project we are using kind of third-party library, which is Java to Objective-C kind of library, and then we created, I forgot how you name it. How you name those? Whatever. Basically we can't even build it for first time to build this library from Xcode. We are kind of building it from command line currently, and using Xcode Cloud is kind of tricky for it. And for my indie projects I don't, because I don't know what I'm missing. Yeah, but it's the same do local Xcode. What's the difference? I understand, for example, if you do some automated builds, from whatever branch, when you have overnight builds, and if multiple developers working on projects, that's cool to have this automated process. But if you are solo developer on the application, what are benefits? Because currently I'm just kind of basically hitting product archive and upload. Yeah, I think so. I'm just honestly don't know what I'm missing out, therefore I'm asking. I think that for solo developers it's kind of, I don't know, especially if you have to pay for it, basically why? For development team, yeah, sure, of course. Basically you're working your own branch, and when you have something merged in your whatever is test branch, it builds, uploads to test flight, delivers to testers. Agree. But even on freelance project, currently we were 4-people team. Currently iOS developers, 4 iOS developers. Currently we just 2 iOS developers, 2 Android devs, 2 iOS developers. It's kind of also, I don't know. It's could be nice to have, but because problems of building of the third-party library, we just do that manually. I had configured Fastline for a while ago, I did automatic screenshots and so on. You basically can automate all that process. When you create automatically screenshots, you can kind of automatically update metadata. But then I broke it and I didn't want to spend time fixing that. Is Swift your main language or did you learn any other languages? I started with C, then tried Java, didn't really like it. Then again jumped to the Objective-C and now Swift. Xcode Cloud have it free tier. Yeah, sure, some free tier is probably some limited, not limited, but some kind of amount of hours or minutes, what else, how they measure it. Yeah, sure, should be. From programming languages, yeah, professionally, I used only Objective-C and Swift. And I think Swift is kind of not bad option as the first language to learn, in my opinion. This music is a bit intense. Let me switch. And yeah, I don't know. I release maybe once in a week, you know. If it is more often, again, I never release it more than once in a day. Yeah, didn't bump up version. Let's go with just 2 here. Let's say that will be something like improvements and bug fixes, you know, like Facebook like to write in their changelog. The more I learn other languages, the more I prefer Swift. Yeah, I don't know. I professionally, as I said, I use it only Swift. Okay, a little bit of not little. Okay, in the past, Objective-C as well, but my main professional programming language was Swift. But yeah, for me, it's kind of hard to say about other languages. I programmed a little bit. I learned C, C++, C#, but that was more like for studies and so on. Built bachelor project using PHP, then learned a bit Java because I was thinking that maybe I will be Java developer or maybe I will build Android applications using Java. That was a thing back in the days. But yeah. As I will explain that I'm using 99% it's Swift, but I'm using. Except I hate Xcode with all my heart. Really? Why? I'm using Cursor, for example. I'm using Windsurf. All of that is VS Code, but whatever. I don't know. I can't tell they are better. They are different, but better? Not sure. I tried AppCode. Kind of, yes, refactoring was okay, but there were so many missing pieces, no previews, no storyboards. Even you can't even simulate in a purchases. You can't work with core data, data objects. I don't know what else did I forget? I don't know. Oh, I updated. Holy moly, I updated the. Okay, I updated it, but kind of didn't save the change. Okay. Now it is saved. Playground has improved a lot, but I would like to see JetBrains do an ID for Swift. Yeah, I don't know. I used Android Studio a little bit. It is okay. JetBrains had ID for Swift. That was upcoder. They sunsetted it, and I just listed basically things that were missing in upcoder. There were a few things that was better. Refactoring was kind of better, faster, and so on in the upcoder, which is JetBrains product. NeoVim is my main driver. Okay. But what's the problem? Oh, you need more powerful Mac? Swift previews, for example, are kind of resource demanding. Yeah, that's true, but yeah, in NeoVim you do not feel that, for sure. Yeah, I never really used lightweight programming kind of tool for programming. Okay, I did see programming in FAR, you know, and compiling in FAR. Do you know FAR? Like similar to Norton Commander, you know, that. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, for me it's kind of, you know. Can I get image how it looks? Yeah, basically like that. That was lightweight. So I remember that I did, yeah, but yeah, here is basically C programming, blah blah blah. And there was compiler and what else not. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, very lightweight, not resource heavy and so on. Do I miss it? No. Upload symbols fileed. Lottie player framework with expected UIDs. Whatever. Yeah, but that was, I don't know how many years ago. 20 plus, probably. I don't know. 2000. Early 2000s. Yeah, something like 20 years ago. Very early 2000s. Something like 22, 23 maybe. I mean 2003, not 23. But you got that probably. Okay, App Store Connect. Let's add build. Marta SH. Okay. 2.42 version. What's that, Marta? Yeah. Oh, cool. There was team. There was Norton team support. Actually, let's see. Cursor. Can I find where was settings, cursor, extensions, theme, color, theme. Okay, there will be something. Yeah, I should look for that in libraries. Far something, far theme, rainbow fart. Of course, that's not what I want. Far theme. No. It's sad. So I should create it. GitHub team. Yeah, Maybe far is not so popular, maybe that could be Norton Commander. Oh, here it is, Norton Commander. Perfect. I need it. Yeah, there was. I found some kind of rainbow fart. It's too blue. It's not right blue, actually. Maybe I do not remember it correctly. Oh. Yeah, but far was, it was different blue. This, I saw it here. Here, this one. This one was correct one. Okay. Yeah, when I'm looking for fart, there was, yeah, rainbow fart. I don't know what's that. Extension that keeps giving your compliment while you are coding. Dude, I need that. Just install it. Just install it. I need that. Extra motivation will help. Actually, there are two. One more. Rainbow fart waifu. Oh, you can get this, whatever. Maybe that's waifu. I don't know what waifu means, but basically here is one girl which kind of doing compliments. Yeah, exactly. Swift UI is more easy to learn. Yes, but if you come from UI kit background, it's kind of little bit kind of breaking your brain. But generally, I agree with you. It's easy to learn. Yeah. And if you have to choose one, which to learn, I will definitely say, yeah, go with that. Go with Swift UI. Let's go with the same onboarding improved, whatever. What's new in this version? Onboarding improved. Small, not smack, small. Come on, iOS, you can do it. Small fixes, whatever. I don't know who reads it, but that's something like that. I will not kind of write here. Oh, we switched it to different paywall provider, right? Okay. Build. Do we have build ready? Yeah, missing complaints. I need finally to add this complaints kind of thing automatically, to say automatically that no, we are not using anything. And review. Submit for a preview. Bada beams, bada bumps, and I will set this to the manual release because I would like to be sure that I have my in-app purchase products approved before it is released. Ta-da! So all is done. I will cancel this adaptee subscription after that, and yeah, we'll see how that will go. I'm looking forward to test paywalls, prices, and all that stuff. Cool. What do you do if the subscription is not approved? You just wait to get it approved. Because Apple sometimes doing stuff like that, they kind of approving your application first and then but do not approve in a purchase. And before it was so that when you submit up for approval, you were able to kind of add also in a purchase as well, like kind of submit them together. But currently, if you will go, you see this application is waiting for review. There is no way to somehow add this product. Previously, there was option. And if you go into the subscriptions, you just see that, oh, this is waiting for review. And then there is lottery. This can be approved before up or after. It's kind of, hit and miss. It's kind of, a little bit, wild. Yeah, wild is a right term for this, I will say. It's kind of, if you know, it doesn't sound so bad, probably. It is bad, but then you know that you basically just kind of take that into account and act accordingly. But if you don't know, and basically this shit kind of happens first time when you release application, and then you see, oh, holy moly, my app is released, but in a purchase is still waiting for review. Yeah, it's not the best feeling, I would say. Okay, I think that is it. It's 1 o'clock at night here in my time zone, so I have one sip of the kvass left. Yeah, it's the end. I just submitted in a purchase product for review, and I submitted the app for review as well, waiting for review. And yeah, here is my paywall, basically this one. I submitted for review. Honestly, I do not expect that this paywall will be something great or the best one and everything, but I just want to get this weekly product approved, and then I can play with it in other paywalls. This crosshair for closing paywall is kind of hidden, but you can just swipe it down as well, so it's not so bad. You will swipe it down, or if you will find the cross, then you can click on it, Yes, Marco, I would like to try out weekly subscription. I think that later I will add something like, basically currently I have trial on the yearly subscription, but I think that later I will add, basically you can get weekly subscription or yearly subscription without trial. And then on that weekly, maybe I will add trial, maybe not, something like, here is 7-day weekly subscription with 3 days trial, or you just go all in and buy yearly subscription. It's kind of tricky, So those who really want to try, they can try to try this kind of 3 days trial, and then maybe pay for 1 week and then stay on this subscription and then upgrade to yearly, or immediately jumping to the yearly subscription. And then basically I think that, I don't know if that will help to sell more of those yearly subscriptions. Probably, I don't know. I think I should try. Because with this kind of yearly subscription but with trial, that's kind of weak commitment, You kind of, whatever, I will try, and then half of them are canceling. I think that I will have less sales, but on revenue side, that can be same, that can be more. And with, I think that with Superwall, I don't know, but I think that with Superwall you are paying for trials, for started trials as well. That's basically on you, because it is conversion, right? I don't know, I just kind of thinking that probably it is so. And if I'm starting, let's say, let's go to the revenue cut. charts. Trials. That's trial conversion. No. Active trial movement. Oh, what's that? Monthly. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look on monthly. So I have 232 new trials. Okay, that's still below 250, right? 171, 200. Yeah, okay, that's not scary. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I know only one thing about in-app purchases for sure. You always have to test, all the theories and assumptions, paywalls, prices, basically everything. And yeah, currently I probably, did you saw that slide? I don't remember. I didn't upload video yet from the last night live stream, but basically this slide was in yesterday's presentation for in the app developer community. Weekly subscriptions are basically growing like crazy. That is market share by subscription duration. This is weekly, this is annual, this is monthly. So, basically we are missing out if we are not using, and basically we should kind of understand what are good, not shady ways to use them. I think that weekly subscription can be alternative for trial. It's really growing. It's really growing. And you can see that was 22 and 23 to 24. That's basically just quite a lot, And yeah, if we are not using, if we are not testing it, we are missing out. We should kind of think about it. And you can't just sit in the corner and think, you have to do something, you have to test something, have some days and test something. So yeah, that's my plan. Therefore, I'm kind of getting this weekly subscription. I do not care too much about this specific paywall, because I don't think that is the best one, but it still makes sense to test it. Because here is no trial, you can just choose, okay, do you want premium version? Okay, you can choose monthly or weekly. Which one do you choose? Get it or leave it, and yeah, whatever. And sure, I can add yearly here as well, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, whatever. That's that. We'll see. I need to get it approved first. After that, I will start to play and test it, and I definitely will share insights in the community, so you will know what works for me and what not. I will definitely share insights. Okay, now I go for real. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. Next stream, I don't know, maybe tomorrow night, we'll see. I don't know for sure. Sorry, I don't have stream schedule because everything is kind of, yeah. Probably tomorrow. On this application, currently I have nothing to do. I have just wait, but I have other apps and I have plenty of tasks and work to do on them. So maybe tomorrow night, I don't know yet. We'll see, guys. Don't want to promise and then do not come. Okay.